9005 Little Horse. There's a couple of community park areas that I passed on the way in that can be attractive to a lot of people, especially families. We have really nice desert landscaping. Looks like most things are freshly painted, including the front door. We have the correct blinds that we like to use. I'm not sure if this is enough space for a little eat-in area. So I think the dining table would be over here somewhere. And we don't like putting the dining table on carpet. Looks like electrical is running through there. I think the sliders need to be adjusted or cleaned just so it opens easier. We need 2 blinds in here. Those are not the right blinds. We need a blind in here as well, so it's 3 blinds. I need a toilet seat. Looks like they painted the inside of the sinks. That's just lint or something. Upgraded light fixture. Need closet door guides on here. They've painted the cabinets gray. Looks like they did a pretty good job. Need a shower rod in here. Okay. There's some earthquake straps on the water heater, Craftsman garage door opener, and there's no pan on the water heater.